If you have a Vaillant boiler, you might have experienced the F61 fault. Here, we are going to find out how to fix the F61 error code in Vaillant boilers. The Vaillant F61 fault code usually appears when a component fails or when the wiring between the PCB and the gas valve is faulty. Let's understand what causes the F61 error. One reason is a faulty gas valve in the boiler. If the gas valve gets stuck or jammed, your boiler might stop working. You'll need a gas-safe registered engineer to check and solve this problem. Another potential reason for the F61 fault code is a gas supply problem. This can mess up your boiler's operation. If there's not enough gas pressure or something's blocking the gas line, the gas valve won't get the fuel it needs to fire up the boiler. The F61 error code can also be triggered by loose wiring between the PCB and gas valve or issues with the wiring harness. This can disrupt the boiler communication. The F61 error code can also appear due to a faulty PCB, whether it's due to component breakdown or communication glitches. It's important to get a gas-safe registered engineer to fix PCB issues immediately. Electrical faults can disrupt the functioning of the gas valve in your boiler. When the PCB malfunctions or communicates improperly, it can lead to misfires or a loss of power to the gas valve, triggering errors like the Vaillant F61 code. Another cause of the F61 fault code is the malfunction of boiler components. These include the gas valve, ignition lead, electrode, sensors, pressure, temperature, fan, pump, combustion chamber, and burner. These issues can interrupt the boiler's operation and lead to the error code. Let's see how to fix this F61 error code. If your boiler has a problem, trying a quick reset might fix it. If resetting the boiler doesn't fix the issue, it's time to call for a professional gas-safe engineer. They know how to check the system pressure and gas supply and bleed the radiators. Service steam heating engineers can handle all the boiler makes and models, including Vaillant. As the accredited Vaillant boiler installer, we guarantee that we will meet the highest standards set by the manufacturer. Click on the link below to book a service team boiler repair. Thanks for watching, and stay warm.